So I remember the day that I was getting ready to order my products and I had the option to be a customer or promoter. I didn't really know which one to click, so I clicked the promoter one. Honestly, again, I think to help her out. And as a single mom at that time and just the opportunities that were in front of me, the only way I could go was up in this business. The only way to fail was to not do anything. So I just took off. I sometimes think back to that day where I clicked that button and I am just overwhelmed with gratitude because what if I wouldn't have done it? What if she wouldn't have called me? What if I wouldn't have just said, what if, and taken off? And I'm very grateful each and every day that this company and this product has came into my life because I'm in the best health of my life, absolutely the best health of my life. And just the freedoms that have came along with being part of this business are absolutely 100% the way to go.